Presenting tonight's colors is the Wendell Fire Department Honor Guard. Now at this time, please rise if you are able. Kindly remove your caps and join us as we honor America with the singing of the Star Spangled Banner. Performed this evening by Mason Greer.
Can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam, whose broad stripes and bright